In this video, I will show the process of how to install duo roller blinds on a window. The blinds are specifically made by Famis and are called duo roller blind. Their size is approximately 60 by 180 centimeters. The color is gray. The duo roller blinds are packed in a slightly transparent, airtight packaging with plugs. It is necessary to unpack it and install it in its place in the duo roller blind. Currently, there are regular metal horizontal blinds installed on the window, which we will replace. It is necessary to remove them and proceed with the installation of the new duo roller blinds made of day and night fabric. After that, it is necessary to remove the lower fasteners of the metal horizontal blinds. We will not need them. For this, we use a screwdriver. We won't need these fasteners installed on metal blinds, as they are not required for these duo roller blinds. The old fasteners from the blinds need to be removed. We won't need them, so let's unscrew them. After that, you need to start unpacking this package. To do this, use a screwdriver to bend back these fasteners in order to remove the cover. The fastener has a shape that easily closes. They are reusable. And do the same with the other fasteners. Fasteners are attached to the back of the packaging, so this cover also needs to be removed. The set comprises the duo roller blind itself, along with a tension roller, which is inserted from the bottom. This package includes a wall mounting kit, which is essential for securely installing the unit, and also contains components for the opening part of the windows to ensure proper ventilation, and a large detailed instruction. In all languages and in various formats, we will be hanging the duo roller blinds on this part, because the window frame is openable, as you can see. Here, there is tape that needs to be applied to the window frame, which is also openable. And here is a fastener that allows you to press the blinds tightly against the window. First, we will simply install these fasteners on the back of the blinds. For this, we position the fastener approximately 15 centimeters from the edge. There is a clamp here that is specifically tightened with this lever, which is used to adjust the width of the window frame precisely. Carefully insert the object into the designated slot and then twist it gently until it locks securely in place, ensuring that it is properly aligned and fully engaged. Now we measure 15 centimeters from each side of the window frame and make a mark. Using medical alcohol or another type of white spirit, such as isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, thoroughly and completely degrease the surface of the frame where the double-sided tape will be applied. Wait for the alcohol to evaporate completely, allowing sufficient time for the alcohol to evaporate. After that, carefully and gently remove the backing from the double-sided tape on the pads. Open the window in a well-ventilated area and secure it strictly in the outer places, ensuring it is properly aligned and firmly attached with precision and care. And press the fasteners carefully and securely from both sides, ensuring a tight fit. After that, we carefully and gently free the string from the side rubber band, and now let's take a closer look at how the blinds operate. In this particular direction, you can see the mechanism in action, demonstrating the way they open and close smoothly. Here you can adjust them to be inward, or as it should be, inward and upward. Now, remove the tube that is inserted at the bottom We send it here and place 2 transparent plastic fasteners carefully and securely on the sides. These fasteners should be facing down. With this protruding feature and some additional details to consider, you will see that there is currently a gap of about 3 cm between the 2 parts of the blinds. To make it absolutely minimal, it is necessary to completely unwind the blinds and readjust them. Unroll the blind completely and fully so that it starts to wind in the opposite direction. Following that point in time, the gap between the 2 values gradually decreases until it reaches a point where it becomes almost negligible. It remains to slightly align the fabric part and position the blind so that there are no gaps on the left and right, strictly according to the window. They can move very slightly along their tracks, just like this, for example. Now, by simply rotating this part, you can easily set it to day or even night, just like that. Here on the fixation rope, there is a fastener that can be specifically and securely fastened to the window frame safely. There is also double-sided tape, or you can secure it with a screw. However, in my case, reaching the window is a bit tricky due to the table, so we won't secure it in order to be able to operate the blinds from a distance. Now let's check how the window closes, to see if the locks interfere with its closure. As you can see, the window closes tightly without any issues. Here are the day and night blinds from Famis installed and working at 100%.